nation is a great big red nest. Every man has a job to do, and my job's doing good. I'll never stop doing good. Oh, it's hard to keep on wearing the old Clark Kent smile, but I know I have to do it cause my work is so worthwhile. La-di-dum, it's a funny life, still in all life well spent. So here you go, bravery gone, meek and mild, glasses on, Superman, now you're Clark Kent.